Hello, it's Tasha with WTI.
I was so impressed with these wonderful door handles and pulls from KOOFIZO. They are gorgeous and elegant. I wanted something new in my kitchen to make it look more updated, and I was so impressed with the overall look of these handles. They have this a beautiful light bronze, but yet they're dark and look wonderful on the white cabinets. And they're high quality. They're very solid and hard. They set all the right screws with the product, so it was super easy to install. I had no issue installing these handles. After I was done with installation, I couldn't have been happier. These are comfortable and easy to grip as you're opening the doors. They look wonderful vertical, and also they look great horizontal for drawer pulls. I am so pleased with these handles from KOOFIZO, and I think that they would upgrade any kitchen.
And that's my point of view.